best dramatic writer we could have ever had. So why not Shakespeare? Because those stories are so dramatic that they can be adapted in any genre, any place, anywhere.
विशाल जी ने जब मुझे एक्चुअली सुबह स्क्रिप्ट सुनाई थी जिस दिन इसकी वन लाइन सुनाई थी कि दिस इज द खाका, और उसके बाद जब वापस आके उन्होंने मुझे स्क्रिप्ट की कॉपी दी पूरी, मैंने जब पूरी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी तो पूरी रात स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में ही जैसे सपने आते हैं उस तरह।
After, you know, going through Othello, and when I started to write my script, so I forgot about Othello. I just took the milestone from the play, and I made it mine.
Plot-wise, pretty much they've stuck to the original plot, more or less. The setting has been completely changed.
It has been just Indianized. I think the drama is a little more, though Shakespeare had a lot of drama, and there's a lot of dark humor also according to the characters and according to the situation, and there's a lot of realism in the film.
It's so dramatic. The situations are so human, and they are not bound by any society or any culture.
Film is based in UP, in a small town of UP, where it's treated like a Western film.
अजय ने जब फिल्म के लिए हाँ बोला तो सबसे पहली बात उसकी वही थी कि इस फिल्म की लैंग्वेज बहुत प्यारी है।
सरत घोड़ों पे लगाते हैं कठोर, शेरों पे नहीं।
The North has such a unique flavor in its language, in its expressions, which has not been used in our films.
This is an inspired, tale from Othello, taking that as a central character, picking on it and trying to keep close to it, yet try to bring contemporary dimensions to a new story, trying to make it almost like the retelling of an old story in a completely new way.
Vishal has adapted it beautifully, but I think he's taken it 10 steps forward.
I think it's better than William Shakespeare's Othello. It's topical, it's today, it speaks in a language that we all speak, and I think it's a very with it kind of a film, and at the same time it's a depiction of a slice of society which we normally don't see depicted in Hindi movies, or if we do, we see caricatures of them.
I'm going to miss this set, I'm going to miss this place, and it's just been such a fantastic experience. एक माहौल create करना होता है एक फिल्म अच्छी बनाने के लिए।
कहाँ है? हमारी जात तो खूब कचानी है आपने वकील साहब, पर अपनी बेटी के दिल की बात नहीं सुन सके। कठोर।